Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to add text replacement shortcuts in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and then click on keyboard, and here you see the option text replacement. Click on text replacement, and on top you can see the option add text replacement plus icon. Click on this plus icon and here write your shortcut call and then here write your phrase like call me later, and after that click on save. It will be saved, and go back to your home screen and open messages app, notes, anything. Now open notes and create new notes and simply write here call, and then here see the text replacement option. Click on it, call me later. So this is the way to add text replacement shortcut in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.